bad words in it.
Alright, y'all. What is up? What is up? We are here at the Anclote Park, right by the fishing pier. We're at the same park where the fishing pier is. Except we're gonna fish a little differently today. Oh, man. What's up, man? What's up? Thank you. You too. Alright, so we're walking down this trail because from what I know, there's like a little beach over here we can fish off of that's right by the power plant. And right now the water's getting a little cool, so I'm hoping that these fish are starting to pack up by the power plant because it's warm. So we're gonna find out. We got a couple pinfish in this bait cooler, maybe a few greenbacks. We'll throw them on the hook, see what happens. We got to about 10:30 to fish. It's like around 8:15, 8:20 right now. I was gonna get on the kayak today, but I forgot I made plans with my wife and my dogs to go to some dog event today. So I'm assed out.
Now, when I pulled up to the fishing spot, it looked like there was somebody there, but they were packing up to go already. So I figured it'd be cool if I went down there and set up. Now you'll notice I kind of take this jump a little slow. I just got done with knee surgery about a week ago, so I gotta watch my step around here.
What's up?
Alright, so real quick, let's go through all the gear. First things first, I got a Tsunami rod holder. You can get these bad boys at Walmart for like $20. Let's stick this guy in the ground. And this is what's gonna have my my circle hook setup. Now what the circle hook setup is, it's a Tsunami Carbon Shield II rod with the Evict 3500 size reel with 20-pound braid, 30-pound test. It's got a Mutu light circle hook. That's a Soltex from Tsunami. And that's the rod that I'm going to be sticking in there.
All right. For the most part, we are set up. And go ahead and get one of these guys out since we grabbed one. All right, buddy.
Alright, so real quick, let's go through the other setup. We got a pink and white pompano lure. We're shooting that on 15-pound test, 15-pound braid. That's on a Tsunami 7.6 medium power, fast action, Carbon Shield III rod. We're also using a Tsunami Shield II reel. That's the 4,000 size reel. And yeah, we're gonna shoot this lure out and jig the hell out of it. Now, I did shoot my lure out really far, and you're gonna hear in a couple seconds a fish make a wake in the water. I realized my lure is too far away, so I started vigorously moving it closer.
Got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got one. We got one, baby. We got one.
Now you see that pole in front of me? This becomes a huge issue because these fish just love to wrap themselves around it. You could just hear the sound of my line grinding against it. Now, you see that wake in the water? Yeah, that one. That's a fish eating my grunt.
Damn, I'm doubled up. I'm doubled up. I'm doubled up.
Now, at this point, the setup in my right hand, the line had been getting loose and it felt like I had lost the fish. So I thought in my head, maybe I should go put this down and focus on the fish that I still have in the line. So I did that. But before I can get it to the ground, I felt the tug again.
I still got fish on both of these. Oh, holy shit, bro. 2 tsunami rods, 2 fish. Come on. You're coming, babe. You're coming. Come on, buddy. What the fuck is that? Oh yeah, that's a big ass jack. Yes, sir. All right, let's get the other fish. If we still got it. Oh yeah, we still got a fish. We still got a fish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You gotta tighten the drag. They got me wrapped around. There we go. Now he's free. Now he's free. Let's go. Let's get him in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 jacks. Two jacks. About this big. Yeah, jacks. Look.
So I had made the internal choice to take these jack home and try to cook them up. I've cooked jack a few times and my wife said she really liked it, but I want to try this new method of cooking jack. And you know, a lot of people say this fish is a trash fish, but you know, I kind of say, you know, the fish ain't trash. Maybe it's the cook that's trash. Yeah, I snapped a small hook on my pompano rig. This can happen. It's a good thing that these things are replaceable. You can go get these little pompano flares and reattach them to your hook setup. So don't throw away your lure if you happen to break that small hook on the pompano lure, because you could just replace it.
I got a Mutu light circle hook 2-aught, and that is the Saltwater Tsunami brand. I swear by those hooks, man. You know, I've been told to use other hooks and try this out, try that out. But I'll tell you what, man, the clear winner every time is the Tsunami Shield II. Get 2 of these bad boys.
So that school of jacks, I think they were exiting on their way out of the channel. And that was it for the day, or at least for right now. I didn't have a lot of time to stay out here and fish, so I just threw my lure a few more times, maybe stay for like 30 more minutes. And then, you know, gotta pack it up. But if you guys like today's video, make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell so you be first to know when videos drop. Alright y'all, it's Jan with Yank Fishing, and I'll see y'all out in the water. Yank 'em up. Peace.